Hello everyone. Welcome to today's English quiz. Today we're testing your knowledge of modal verbs like must, can, should, might, and more. Are you ready? Let's begin. Here's how it works. I'll show you a question. Pause the video and think of your answer. Then I'll reveal the correct answer with a quick explanation. Part 1. Multiple choice. Choose the correct answer. 5 questions. Question 1. You. Wear a seatbelt while driving. It's the law. A. Must. B. Can. C. Could. Answer. A. Must. Must is used to talk about rules and laws. Since wearing a seatbelt is required by law, we use must. 2. I'm not sure where Lisa is. She. Be at the library. A. Must. B. Might. C. Can't. Answer. B. Might. Might expresses possibility. We are not certain, but there's a chance Lisa is at the library. 3. When we were kids, we stay up late on weekends. A. Can. B. Could. C. Must. Answer. B. Could. Could is used for past ability. Since this sentence refers to childhood, could is correct. 4. You look tired. You. Go to bed early tonight. A. Might. B. Should. C. Can. Answer. B. Should. Should is used for giving advice. If someone looks tired, it's a good idea to sleep early. 5. This restaurant is always full. We. Book a table in advance. A. Should. B. Mustn't. C. Could. Answer. A. Should. Should is used for recommendations. Since the restaurant is always busy, booking a table is a good idea. Part 2. Fill in the blanks with a suitable modal verb. 5 questions. 6. Prohibition. You. Not talk during the exam. Answer. Must. Must not expresses strict prohibition. Talking during an exam is not allowed. 7. Polite request. I borrow your pen, please? Answer. May. May I? Is the most polite way to ask for permission. 8. Possibility. We. Go to the beach tomorrow if the weather is nice. Answer. Might. Might expresses possibility. If the weather is good, we may go. 9. Necessity. It's late. We. Leave now. Answer. Must. Must is used when something is necessary. If it's late, leaving is important. 10. When I was younger, I run 5 miles easily. Past ability. Answer. Could. Could is used for past abilities. This sentence talks about a past skill. Part 3. Find and correct the mistake in the sentences. 5 questions. 11. You should to eat more vegetables. Wrong. Should to. Correct. You should eat more vegetables. Should is followed by the base verb. Eat, not to eat. 12. He can to swim very well. Wrong. Can to swim. Correct. He can swim very well. Can is a modal verb, so the verb after it doesn't need to. 13. She must finish her work before going home. Wrong. Musts. Correct. She must finish her work before going home. Modal verbs never take s in the third person. 14. You don't must wear formal clothes to the party. Wrong. Don't must. Correct. You don't have to wear formal clothes to the party. We don't use must in negative sentences with do. Use don't have to, instead. 15. They might be at the cafe now. Wrong. Might's correct. They might be at the cafe now. Modal verbs don't take s in any form. How many did you get right? Comment below. If you found this quiz helpful, like and subscribe for more English learning videos.